Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you will all be fine. So today the topic which I have selected is active and passive voice with past continuous tense. We have already finished active and passive voice with past indefinite tense, and I hope you must have revised all the rules and you must know how to change all the sentences from active into passive voice. So today we have to start it with past continuous tense. So let's start with the lecture. First of all, we have to start it with the affirmative. What do we mean by affirmative? It means we are talking about positive sentences. So the active sentence of past continuous tense is subject plus was, were plus first form plus ing plus object. He was painting the wall yesterday. So in this sentence, he is the subject, was is the helping verb, painting is the main action verb, and the wall is the object. Now, if you want to change it into passive sentence, always I tell you that you must know the structure formula of the passive sentence. If you know the structure formula, it is not going to be difficult for you people just to change it from active into passive. So the structure formula is that the object of the active sentence, which is was, plus was or were, being plus third form of the verb plus subject of the active sentence. So wall was the object of the active sentence, was being painted third form of the verb by him. So he was the subject over there. When we simply write it in the place of the object, so it will be changed from he into him because he is the subject pronoun and him is the object pronoun. So in this way, you can change the sentence from active into passive. If you want to change a negative sentence from active into passive, so the structure formula of a negative sentence with past continuous tense is subject plus was, were plus not, ing in form of the verb plus object. We were not painting the wall yesterday. We is the subject. Were not painting, these are the verbs, and then wall is the object. So the structure formula of the passive sentence is here, and when you change it from active into passive, it will be the wall was not being painted by us yesterday. So in this way, you can change it. In the case of interrogative sentences, the structure formula of the active sentence with past continuous tense is was, were, subject, ing form of the verb plus object. Were they painting the wall yesterday? In this sentence, were is the helping verb, they is the subject, painting is the main action verb, and wall is the object. So again, you will have to put the structure formula and you can easily change it from active into passive. Then sometimes we have negative interrogative sentences. Negative interrogative sentences means when we use not in the case of interrogative sentences. So these are the structure formulas which are you going to find over there in the sentence. And by applying the structure formula to the sentence, you can easily change an active sentence from active into passive. So it will not be a very difficult thing for you if you know the structure formula. Sometimes we have WH words in the case of interrogative sentences. We see that the interrogative sentences are beginning with WH words like when, why, where, what. So in that case, the structure formula is here. You can easily put the structure formula and you can change the sentences with question words from active into passive voice. So I hope students that by applying and by knowing all these rules and the structure formulas just to change from active into passive voice, you can easily change the voice of the sentence without making any mistake at all. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.